Cardinal marks are used to indicate that deeper water lies in a compass direction away from a danger, such as a reef or shallows. This is the north cardinal mark, with 2 cones pointing up. The cardinal marks get their names from the cardinal points of the compass: north, south, east, and west. Two cones pointing down. This is the south cardinal mark. Pass on the southern side of this mark. In the beginning of the video, we already saw the north cardinal mark, with 2 cones pointing up. Vessels have to pass on the northern side of this mark. 2 cones point to point. This is the west cardinal mark. 2 cones pointing away from each other. This is the east cardinal mark. Cardinal mark exhibits a white light, and its quadrant is distinguished by a specific group of quick or very quick flashes. Think of a clock face when remembering the lights on a cardinal marks. That means that east, at 3 o'clock, you see 3 flashes in a group. South, 6 flashes in a group, followed by a long flash. West, 9 flashes in a group. North, uninterrupted flash. To ensure that no confusion occurs, a long flash immediately follows the 6 flashes of the south mark.